If you've been charged with an offence relating to a drug premises, you might be wondering what the charge is about and how the whole thing could affect you. First off, the term drug premises refers to any land or buildings that are used to manufacture, grow or supply illegal drugs. In deciding whether a building or land should be classified as drug premises, the court can look at many different factors, including whether police were instructed when they were trying to get in, whether there were large sums of money kept there, whether there was any drug paraphernalia such as syringes or equipment used to make drugs, and whether people on the premises were affected by drugs. If you're the owner of land or a building that is considered to be a drug premises, you could face charges for allowing your property to be used as drug premises. In this case, the prosecution will have to prove beyond reasonable doubt that you knew your property was being used to manufacture, grow or supply drugs, and that you allowed it to happen. Even if you don't own the property, you could still be charged offences such as organising drug premises or entering or being on drug premises. If you are charged, the prosecution will have to prove that you assisted with the operation of the drug premises. For example, where you acted as a guard or on the lookout on your property. You could also face charges simply by entering or being on drug premises. To be charged with this offence, the prosecution will have to prove that you had no lawful purpose or excuse for being there. So, for example, you may be able to defend the charge if you had a lawful purpose for being there, such as to visit a friend or family member or to conduct lawful business. The law in relation to drug premises can be pretty confusing, so it's a good idea to speak to a specialist drug lawyer if you or your loved ones are facing charges. At Sydney Drug Lawyers, our experienced lawyers have up-to-date knowledge of the laws relating to all types of drug charges and have developed specialised techniques to win drug cases. Our lawyers will do everything possible to push for your case to be dropped at an early stage, or if the case goes to a hearing or trial, to fight for you in court. So give us a call today and let us help ease your burden.